Hola. Imagine being at school.
Okay, boys, we're fishing. Colin's fly fishing. I got the swim bait on. Let's go. Okay, guys, I switched to a rubber worm. Colin moved all the way down there by the rapids. So let's go. Okay, guys, Colin moved back here, got the spinner reel, put on a red rubber worm, and I took off my rubber worm, put on a mealworm with a smaller hook, and then put on a weight. Let's see how it works.
Alright, so I'm gonna tie on this curly tail jig. Trout will love it. So yeah, here we go.
Colin just caught a crayfish with his hand. Might use for bait.
Yep.
Colin just ripped the tail off of a crayfish. Gonna use it as bait.
Percent on the lure. Trout will love it.
That's some good stuff right there. Okay, guys, I took out the mealworm. I'm putting on this little swim bait type thing. I mean, we're desperate because we've barely had any bites. Nothing.
Alright, guys, we're gonna pack up and move to a different spot. So yeah, we'll see you when we get there.
We're at spot 2. Colin has the same stuff on. I might have to stop doing the time lapse on my tackle box because it's starting to get a little wet out. So yeah. Okay, guys, I switched baits to this. It's basically exactly what I had. This is what I had before. This is what I had. It's basically the same but white. I think I might be able to get more stuff on it. So yeah. Okay, Colin's been getting some bites. I switched my bait to like half of a drag and drop. I wacky rigged it, so I'll update you. Okay, Colin just came back with some trout lures and stuff.
Got a bunch of jigs and trout lures. Look at all this stuff.
Awesome. Okay, guys, I switched baits to this little ring thing. It's part of that box over here. Shout out to JD Outdoors hooking us up with this big box of stuff. It's awesome. Colin moved over there. He's switching to live bait. We'll update you, and it started to clear up a lot. So I'm gonna. JD Outdoors. Okay, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna probably start doing more time lapses again because it cleared up a lot. It's actually starting to get really nice. So yeah. We're actually gonna move. We're gonna move, if you can see right where the camera's pointed, we're gonna move down there. So yeah, keep you updated. I just found this fossileic rock. I don't know if that's a word. It's pretty ancient. Oh, dang. What a menace. Okay, I think Colin's probably maybe 7. That's a snapper, yeah. The mama's around here. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna try out this bait right here. I got a spinner right there, got some fake eggs right there, and then a noodle tail right here. Kyle's gonna quickly show you the action right here. That's some good stuff. I think the trout are gonna love it.
Look at that. Just look how cool that is.
Awesome. Colin got one. Let's see. Oh, trout. That's awesome, man.
Rainbow trout.
That's awesome. Alright, let's get a close up.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna go. Shit.
No swearing, young man.
Look at that guy.
That is awesome. That is awesome. Oh shit, oh my gosh. He's gonna release it.
Oh, yeah. There he goes.
Bye-bye. First fish, bro.
Let's go.
Awesome. First and only fish in like 2 hours.
There he is.
Okay guys, we're back at spot 2. We're starting to head back. It's starting to get wet and we've really caught nothing. We caught one small trout. Still good, but this is probably going to be it for the day. We're going to get up early tomorrow, so we'll see you then. Okay guys, we're just waiting for our ride to get here and Colin's just doing a couple casts. We're back at spot 1 and I think today's trip was successful in the fact that we had fun, but we're going to be back here tomorrow, hopefully early in the morning, catch more fish. Yeah.